Hey guys, it's Burgos here, and in this video I'll talk about when to time buff and debuff in Grave of Wrath on Dragonheir Silent Gods. Now, timing in the Grave of Wrath, especially the higher levels, it didn't actually matter if it's level 5 or maybe 9. From the level 5 you're going to see something different here, and this boss can actually get some healing. And this is Greedy Hunt, where the boss is doing poison damage and in same time is restoring HP equals to 600% of the damage dealt. So this is the main target. Also the debuffs this boss have. He have a lot of debuffs. Poison, healing, prohibition. Also have speed reduction of your spells. Very a lot of annoying debuffs is going on here. So our target here is going to be stopping the healing of this boss. Also, we also want to get and take out all the debuffs our hero is going to receive, because believe me, they're going to receive a lot of debuffs. So I will make one fight to show you what I mean, and we're going to challenge this boss. Right here I have, of course, my tank, which is Horus. So far I don't want to change him for anybody. I didn't see any other tank to replace him. Now the main heroes here is going to be Sigrid, that is going to healing prohibition the boss when he definitely going to eat our Horus, and in the same time our Fitz is going to take out all the debuffs. Now this battle is very important to be known, is not so much to the damage, it's more for survivability. So let's start and actually, okay, I'll continue. The Fits don't need big level, so I'm going to take out the Sigrid and I'll take out the Fits. Right now I'm going to use a Sigrid because the boss is going to swallow my Horus right here somewhere. Maybe here, yeah, he start eating my Horus. Right now the boss don't have any healing prohibition. And I'll take with Fits all the debuffs from my healer. This is very important. Of course I can do this on auto, it didn't actually matter, but all the debuffs is going to go for the Fits. This is how I handle all debuffs in the Grave of Wrath, and there is a lot of debuffs. All my heroes right now have poison, healing prohibition, sometimes there is a spell reduction time if I click on my Horus, who is getting eaten right now. But still, with the Sigrid you're going to prevent all this extra healing the boss is going to receive, and he can receive a lot of healing. I can maybe stop my Sigrid from hitting to show you just how much HP this boss can actually get. But yeah, it's even written here, it's 600% of the damage dealt. Imagine he do like 5000, that mean per hit on my Horus, that mean he's going to receive like 30,000 HP per second. This is huge amount of HP, and you want to have this boss not actually get this HP. So with Sigrid you can definitely reduce. Okay, right now I think the boss don't have this. No, he have healing prohibition. Now I invest in the accuracy of the Sigrid to be 100% sure that every attack penalty or healing prohibition is going to be applied to the boss. This is very important. An attack penalty 50%. Boy oh boy, in a lot of bosses they're hit like drugs, and you definitely want to have somebody that is going to somehow reduce this healing prohibition. Right now, yeah, we're a little tough. It's on auto, of course, he's level 110, not so easy boss, especially when I don't have that strong gear. Maybe Fitz is still alive, he's going to receive all the debuffs on him. This is very important because you don't want to have your healers with this spell speed reduction, and this is very bad if you have spell speed reduction. Of course, this healing, we're going to get some healing here and there. Okay, Fitz die. But this, it didn't actually matter that much. The boss is pretty much over till the Sigrid is here to take out this healing from the boss. This is very important. My hero is going to die. Of course, I'm on auto. Sometimes on auto is for example, you plan your video and you do it like 5 times, killing the boss over and over again, and when you put it for the video on auto, the boss somehow destroyed. This is very, very annoying, but still we managed to get a victory here on auto. So this is what I mean about the timing. Right now the Sigrid didn't need so much timing, but you want to have her fire up before enemy hero do massive damage, or when enemy hero is trying to heal themselves. Also for Fitz, in this case, you can just save him when one of your healers get this haste reduction, or when everybody get a lot of debuffs. And in this fight there is just a lot of debuffs. Grave of Wrath is an instance where you want to have a huge amount of resistance. This is very important, so half of your heroes at least resist this Helic prohibition. Is 15%, is 50%, but in the higher levels this thing is going to be 100%. Just let me find it. Healing prohibition reduction is 100%, so you definitely have to be clever with your timing for debuffs and of course for buffs. So I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next amazing video.